Are you facing difficulties in managing day-to-day business operations? Well, we exactly know how to help you. We introduce to you our business management software, BizSuite, a cloud-based ERP for SMEs. BizSuite is a highly flexible and efficient operations management system. It helps in managing a variety of operations and procedures, including sales and leads generation, inventory management, human resources management, project management, purchasing and procurement, asset management, etc. Let's now examine how BizSuite functions. Once you are on our ERP login page, fill in the required columns with the provided credentials, and then you will be redirected to the dashboard. On the dashboard, various modules will be displayed: workspace, inventory and assets, purchase, sales, HR, accounts, front desk, and tools. Now let's understand each module individually. Document management. Under document management, you can upload documents and then the document will display in the below listing. The listing consists of the various detailed information like ID, source, title, contact, and document class. Operations. The operation module consists of jobs and projects, accounting and invoicing, inventory and purchase, help desk, etc. Workspace. The workspace module consists of task floor, project management, task book, issue manager, AMC manager, job manager, my timesheet, work analysis, and floor plan. Project management. This module facilitates businesses to manage the projects and the respective details. This includes planning, forecasting, budgeting and expense tracking, time tracking, task management, collaboration, document sharing, and issue management. Inventory and assets. This module manages inventory by tracking product quantities and locations to individual SKUs. This module provides an amalgam of current and incoming inventory. You are availed of options like Inventory Manager, Warehouse Stocks, Stock Manager, Spare Manager, Item Master, Expired Stock, Stock expiring in 10 days. Purchase. This module streamlines the procurement of required raw materials, packaging materials, assembly, and other non-inventory materials. The module facilitates purchase order, receive, and vendor-like options. Sales. The sales module allows businesses to have active control of the sales department. The sales management solution integrates flawlessly with inventory, marketing, HR, finance, payroll, etc. The sales module consists of the lead book, quotation, customers, service catalog, orders, and incomplete leads. Omnichannel and CRM. The CRM module helps in storing all the customer and prospect information. A CRM helps in enhancing customer service as staff can easily access the complete information. HR. The HR module in BizSuite manages and maintains the record of all employees. A perfect application for complete HR process automation, which facilitates centralized and safe employee database, HR reports accessible anytime, anywhere and anyway, easy time, attendance and leave management, employee performance review in no time, automate application tracking and interview, real-time effective collaboration, easy employee onboarding, and highly scalable and customizable. Account. The accounting module is an integral aspect that enables businesses to understand their current financial status and prospects. Accounting plus business intelligence is equal to intelligent accounting. A few compelling features of accounting include purchase management, assets management, user and permission management, contact management, document management, inventory management, invoice management, bank reconciliation, tax management, opening and closing account book, ledger management, generate profit and loss balance sheet. Front desk. This module enables the front desk manager to exercise multiple activities, eliminating errors, thereby saving a lot of time and energy. The front desk module consists of visitors, visitors pass, on-site visit, and post box. Tools. The tools module avails the notes board option. Notes board. This option lies under tools, wherein you can highlight essential information with your preferred color choice. The benefits of this suite include dashboard, reports and analytics, scalability, 24/7 support, highly customizable, higher ROI, and cross-platform adaptability. Book a demo now for an in-depth analysis. You can also follow us on our respective social media channels. Thank you.